What's up guys, Anubhav here, and as a video creator myself, I get a lot of questions as to how you can edit videos on your phone, what are the best video editing apps for your phone and all that jazz. On that note, I went on a quest to go ahead and look for some amazing video editing apps that you can use on your phone itself. On that note, without any further ado, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Alright guys, so first up we have an app called Filmora Go, and if you guys have heard of Filmora or even used it earlier, this app would be the most basic and easy place to start. Now the app is free for the most part, adds no watermarks whatsoever or a time limit on the edits that you make, which is always a plus when you're, let's say, making videos for YouTube. They have the basic video editing tools like adding transitions, music or voiceover recording abilities, as well as an online library to find out various tracks for audio in your videos. They also have various aspect ratios either for Instagram or YouTube, that is 16:9 or 1:1 for easier editing depending on which platform you're going to upload that content to. All of that combined with the various themes and overlays which they have inbuilt makes this one of the most solid video editors for mobile devices, where you can complete basically any project that you want as long as it's not extremely professional. Moving on, we have a mobile version of the big brother Adobe Premiere Clip. You can consider this as a portable version of Premiere Pro that you can carry in your pocket almost all the time. And it also serves as a pretty good standalone editor on its own. Sure, I mean, it can never really have all the tools that the PC and Mac versions have, but it is super simple to use and edit, along with Creative Cloud login capabilities. So you can import footage from your Creative Cloud, or you can continue your edits in the computer while starting it in the app itself. Now it has its Adobe Music library and allows exporting in full HD, and it has all the other basic stuff that you'll need to make that footage that much better. The only complaint with this fact or app has to be that it has no support for vertical videos. Otherwise, it's a solid editor in every single way to edit videos on the go. Alright guys, last but definitely not the least, in today's video we have an editor whose name you might have heard, and it is one of the most professional video editing app for mobile devices. Now this is Killah Master editor, and it is one of the most feature-rich editor on this list. It allows everything from precise trimming to multiple tracks to edit transitions of various sorts, including a few 3D zoom-ins and zoom-outs, color grading and LUT options, and much more. Now it supports a wide variety of formats for both videos and audios, including a lot of codecs. So let's say you need a single app to edit YouTube videos or something even more slightly on the professional side, this app is the way to go. Now the only drawback here is that Killah Master is a subscription-based editor like most professional ones like Adobe. So to use it to its fullest potential, you'll have to pay, or you can take the trial version forever and get a watermark if you use it on a free trial basis. Even with that, this is hands down one of the better editors on the market, so be sure to check it out. It's been there since a long amount of time, and I never really believed in it before I actually downloaded it and started using it. And now that I have, I can honestly say if you guys don't have a PC and just want one app to edit your beginning YouTube videos, you can definitely use Killah Master. The watermark is not that intrusive, it doesn't really matter even if you use the free version. Other than that guys, that wraps up today's list for the best professional video editing apps on the Play Store for your phones. Remember, you can make amazing videos with your phone and even edit them, and in 2018 the above statement is truer than ever. With that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, feel free to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Other than that, be sure to check out my Instagram and Twitter, links in the description below. With that being said, this is Anubhav signing out. I will see you guys in my next one. Until then, have a great day. Peace out.